this short, this one is a short, but this one short, I'm gonna say, Wuthering Waves X Cyberpunk Collab Quest is absolutely amazing. It's absolute cinema. Man, they did so much better. They did so much justice. The collab is so well made. The story is so freaking good. Man, I I must admit I shed so much tears. I burst so much tears. I didn't expect that this collab will make make me so freaking sad. Just like in the anime, the Cyberpunk Edge Runner is so freaking good. It's also the freaking anime, and this collab, they did so much justice, and it's safe to say, guys, I'm gonna freaking say this. This is the best gacha collab story that I ever, ever done in my whole freaking life. Man, the best gacha collab story, guys. Man, and one thing before I end this video, before I end this short, my freaking heart is shattered. Where CD Projekt Red officially confirmed that Rebecca is dead. Yes, she got smashed by Adam Smasher, but I'm hoping that Rebecca's still alive. I'm hoping that Rebecca is still alive. They're gonna implant some metal in her to make her alive, but nah. Just like CD Projekt Red said, oh, Rebecca, CD Projekt Red be like, um, nah, Rebecca is dead. Don't expect too much. She got smashed by Adam Smasher. Spoiler alert, by the way. Okay, overall, guys, absolute cinema. Okay, guys, I recommend, if if I if you gonna ask, if you guys, if you do the collab story first or the anime, I recommend you guys to do the anime first, and do the anime first before playing the collab story. Because if you don't do if you don't watch the anime and do the collab instead, you guys gonna confused on what is happening. You will not gonna understand who is Main, who is Falco, and Rebecca, and Lucy. You will gonna you will guys gonna be confused if Rebecca is keeps slurring, and you will guys think, for all of you guys that didn't watch the anime, oh, why is Rebecca is so much slurring, so much cussing? Why is Rebecca saying so many F words? Watch the anime first. You will gonna understand. Well, this is my opinion. If you guys prefer collab story, if you guys prefer to watch or play the collab story first, then go ahead. But I recommend to watch anime first. My opinion. Okay. That's it, guys. Big story. Absolute cinema. Rating 1,000,000 out of 10. That's it, guys. Best collab story. Drink water. Bye bye.